The 7.3 Power Stroke engine is a diesel engine produced by Ford Motor Company and used in their Super Duty trucks. It was first introduced in 1994 and was used in Ford trucks until 2003. The 7.3 Power Stroke is a V8 engine with a displacement of 7.3 liters. It uses a direct injection fuel system and has a cast iron block and cylinder heads. The engine also features a turbocharger and intercooler, which helps to increase its power output. The 7.3 Power Stroke is known for its durability and reliability. It has a reputation for being able to withstand high mileage and heavy use without experiencing major problems. It is also known for its low end torque, which makes it well suited for towing and hauling heavy load. One of the key features of the 7.3 Power Stroke engine is its ability to be modified for increased performance. There are a variety of aftermarket parts available for the engine, including turbochargers, injectors, and programming chips that can be used to increase its power output. The 7.3 Power Stroke engine is also known for its good fuel economy. When properly maintained, it can achieve fuel efficiency of around 15-18 HG in highway driving and 12-15 mpg in city driving. However, the 7.3 Power Stroke engines are also known for some common issues, such as oil leaks, turbocharger failure, and injector problems. Oil leaks can occur from the valve cover gaskets and oil cooler adapter. Turbocharger failure is often caused by a lack of proper maintenance, such as not changing the oil and filter regularly. Injector problems can be caused by a variety of factors, including clogging, leakage, or sticking. Overall, the 7.3 Power Stroke engine is a durable and reliable diesel engine that is well suited for towing and hauling heavy loads. It is also known for its good fuel economy and ability to be modified for increased performance. With regular maintenance, it can be a great choice for Ford truck owners.